Hi, my name is Sebastian Straub. I'm the Principal Solutions Architect here at N2WS. Today I will show you how to upgrade your existing N2WS console version 4.2.0 or 4.2.1 to the most recent release, which is 4.2.2. You can easily check which version you have currently installed if you go up here, right-hand side to the question mark. Select the About box, and that's going to let you know which version you have currently installed. The good news is if you're already on a version 4.2x, and then you can just simply upgrade to the most up-to-date version using a patch. The way you're going to get this patch is also pretty simple. Right upper hand with the question mark, select, then select support. That's going to take us to the support website. And just simply scroll down a little bit further to knowledge base. We're going to select that. And then we're going to go over here to release documentation. And then up here in the search bar, and just simply type in 4.2.x and return. Scroll down to the bottom. There's a next button. And that's the version that we're looking for. Release notes for the latest 4.2.x CPM release. Select that. And the patch that we're looking for, you'll find it right here. Just simply download that file. Put it in a safe place. We'll be using it in a moment. All right, let's go back to our console. Again, right upper corner. This time we're going to choose the server settings, this cog symbol right here. And then on the left-hand side, let's go to patches. And then choose file. This is where we're going to choose that file that we just downloaded. So there's the file that I downloaded. Select open. And then the only thing that you have to do is just click on upload and install. That entire process is going to be super quick. It's just going to say, yes, are you sure you want to do this? Absolutely, let's do it. Depending on your internet connection speed, this might take a moment. Now, you can see that it already says that the upgrade has been performed, but it's still usually running through some scripts. Just let it sit there for about 5 minutes, just so that all of the internal scripts can finish. So once you waited about 5 minutes, just simply hit the refresh button. And then go back to the question mark, right upper corner, select the About box, and you will have upgraded to the most recent version, 4.2.2. Now, if you want, you can go back to the release notes and then review all of the new things that are in this patch.